What if you could analyze data that empowers your organization to execute operations timely and effectively? Highland Ag MarketWatch, a first-of-its-kind data analytics software, provides never-before-seen KPIs, delivering visibility into current market trends for marketers to make impactful data-driven decisions.
As a CEO, I would like to know how my organization fares in operational excellence. Am I using all the tools available to achieve sustainable improvement while fulfilling consumer demand?
Today's lack of accurate, transparent data in the fresh produce industry has hindered operational excellence in delivering quality fresh produce to consumers.
There is a need for innovation to drive transformative insights from data that is readily available.
With Highland Ag MarketWatch, you can view your organization's value across the supply chain, identify and forecast growth to acquire a total market snapshot within your category.
As a COO, I would like to improve our performance in my organization and transparency with our grower base. Is it possible to quickly identify our performance gaps and communicate effectively with our procurement team?
This patent-pending software provides subscribers with aggregated and anonymized insights into market pricing, inventories, rejection rates, and trends, while benchmarking company performance against the industry in just one application.
Highland works directly with your ERP provider and technical staff to determine appropriate IT links and define the scope of work best suited to deliver the necessary information into Highland Ag MarketWatch, ensuring security and anonymity.
Highland Ag Solutions has engaged with industry experts and stakeholders over the past 4 years to develop Highland Ag MarketWatch and provide a revolutionary point of view into the ag market while ensuring the safety and security of your data, backed by Highland's unrivaled data covenant. Highland's customers own all the data they provide us. Highland understands the challenges that growers and marketers face in the digital age, and we respect the sensitivity, security, and privacy of your data.
As a VP of Sales, I would like to have the latest market updates on hand. How often will the data be updated?
To promote a pro-competitive global fresh produce market, data and insights are updated every 30 minutes, available to subscribers anytime.
The data age is here, and our response to that is our innovative tool. Highland Ag MarketWatch allows a marketer to make decisions that impact his or her bottom line. It is changing global fresh produce businesses with insights to make data-driven decisions.
Highland Ag MarketWatch delivers transparency for the marketer, providing subscribers with insights through benchmarking, intelligence and analytics trends, aggregated market, and visibility into freight rates. With a unique point of view readily available, it is finally possible to answer those tough questions regarding your fresh produce business.
So how do I
Become a subscriber
With Highland Ag MarketWatch.
Subscribe today to align with consumer demand by visiting highlandhasit.com/marketwatch.